quicksand. When you're on it, you'll keep going down, going down. And there's no one to hold on to, and there's no one to pull you out. You keep on falling, no one can hear you calling. So you end up self-destructing. On the corner with the toolie on the waistline. Just got about the Bing Joe estate time. Teeth marks on my back from the K9. Dark memories.